So when we're multiplying decimals, there are a few things that you want to remember. We're going to go ahead and multiply these decimals here. 2 and 1600ths times 3/10. We're not going to get into sort of the reasoning as to why this works here. We're just going to use sort of the algorithm to help us. So what you're going to do is you're going to stack them up, right? So we're going to say 2.16. I like to put my number that has the most digits in it at the top, and then 0.3. So I'm lining up my place value spots here. So I have, my first digit, my second digit, they're kind of in columns. It's okay that our decimals are not lined up, because what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these like they're whole numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, all right, we're going to multiply 3 by all the parts above it. So 3 times 6 is 18. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 3 times 2 is 6. And then this is just becomes 0, right? Because we do 0 times 6, 0 times 1, 0 times 2. So what's going to happen is we're going to count up how many digits were behind the decimals in the original problem. So here is an original problem decimal and original problem decimal. We count up the digits. We have a 1. We have a 6, that's 2 digits. We have a 3 behind the decimal, that's 3 digits. So we're going to end up moving our decimal, because this is really a 648.0. We're going to move it one place value spot back. Whoop, we're going to essentially divide it by 10 by moving this decimal 1 for this digit, the 1 place value spot, 2 place value spots, that's for the 6, and then 3 place value spots. Whoop, for this 3 right here. So there were 1, 2, 3 digits behind the decimals in the original problem. So when we multiplied, like we're multiplying 216 times 3, we needed to put the decimals back in. So we essentially multiplied to make 216 and 3, right? Instead of 2.16 and 0.3, we multiplied it by 10 3 times, essentially. And now we're going to undo that by moving the decimal 1, 2, 3 place value spots back.